What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? So for natural gas, we have three levels right above this price. As promised, I'm going to show you the levels which we can expect some pullbacks out of. Now right here we have one level, weak level, then we have a better level, and then we have a strongest level right up there. So price needs to go through all these levels to continue to push up in a trend. Now the price won't push up straight away, blast up like this. It will always push up with the pullbacks, and then it starts to push higher if it wants to continue to push up in a trend. That is why conditions are very important for the possible entries and trades. Now at this point, what you can expect, as price just made a new high. Remember my yesterday's video that I've said that once the price make a new high, we have a new high right here. Now we had no entry condition here, so I had taken no entries. No conditions means no entries, but in general we were bullish as price broke above EMAs with a cross and nicely pushing up using the previous level as an anchor level as mentioned, and now price is pushing up. So give this price some more momentum above this high, and then just a pullback and a pullback entry bullish. I'm going to talk about these levels in a very short while. So just pullback entry bullish. Now as price just made a new high, all I want to see a pullback above 50 EMA. If we have a pullback and that is a deep pullback, no need to get alarmed. If it's a bearish engulfer like this, that doesn't make any difference, because I only use bearish engulfer for the reversal signal if the price is at the area of value or if below 50 EMA. If it happens above 50 EMA, that is just a pullback for me, not a selling confirmation. But if you are my student, this is also a type of entry. And if you are a student, then we had an entry confirmation right here on Ovanda, and I have some strategy which my students are learning in the course, and I can't teach you guys every single strategy because it will just confuse your head and you will just go around here and there. That is why I keep it simple. Just pullback entry above 50 EMA, and from the zones we're going to look for the bearish engulfers and a counter trend trade. So at this point, what to expect? Just a pullback above 50 EMA. It could be a deep pullback right here. It could be a pullback to 50 EMA. One candle can close down below 50 EMA, still fine. If two goes, then there's a problem. But if one goes, still fine. After that, if you have a bullish engulfer, that is a very strong entry if we have that. So wait for that. Once we have a condition, we are good to go along. So just pullback entry either at the pullback here, or either if the price pushes up and then a pullback bullish engulfing pattern. So that is what I'll be looking at. Just bullish trade for natural gas. Natural gas is in general bullish. We are only looking for bullish trade, getting a nice gap in the EMAs. With that, we have this nice bullish candle, but expect some pullback before the price will likely to push up. Now I have a minor zone above and not a major zone, which is something I do not care about. It is just a zone from where you need to pay attention and where you need to be careful if you are looking at this zone, which is 2.505 goes to 2.610. A zone from where we can expect some or a deep pullback. It could be a good pullback to this zone, or it could be just a pullback and then a bullish engulfer. The price will likely push up. So it is another strong anchor level, not a resistance level, just an anchor level. So we have this level. Once the price go through above this level, then we are looking at this level, which we want to keep you guys informed. But for now, just pullback entry, and from this level, just expect some big and deep pullback before the price will likely shoot higher. So let's say if you have an entry condition here, and if you're managing it, it is an area till where you want to manage your trades. So keep an eye. These are the conditions now I'll be looking at for the possible trades. Now here on Ovanda, exactly the same. Now what I'll be looking at, pullback entries bullish, nothing else. And the zone above, which is a minor and an anchor level, which is right here. 2.339 goes to 2.441, from where we can expect some pullbacks. Otherwise, just pullback entry bullish, nothing else. If you get a deep pullback to 50 EMA or this anchor, that is also one of the good or strong entry condition. On Kevlar.com, what do we have? Break above, exactly the same. Now if you remember, I've said in my yesterday's video that we are getting a retest of this level. After the retest, right here the price pushed up. As we had no entry condition, that's why I have not entered the trade. Like I mentioned before, if you are trading with your own strategy and just using my zone and implement your strategies with my zone, if you're not my student, then you can always use my zones in confidence with your own strategy. You can use this factor for a possible trading opportunity. If you are a member, you get these zones every week as well. So just expect some pullback, bullish engulfer, and the zone above right here, which we have here on Kevlar.com, which is 2.505 goes to 2.610. 210, from where we're going to look for the possible pullbacks and bearish confirmation. Next up, we have gold. Now, as mentioned yesterday, that we can expect some good pullback looking at this resistance level we had, and we also had a push up out of this bullish engulfing pattern, and that time the price was here. It did push up around $13, that was mentioned in my yesterday's video, but after that it falls, right? If someone who would like to take a risk and a risky trader, in that case, that is also one of my entry condition, and $13 push up I'm expecting from here if you want to enter right here at the current price, which is here, and $13 push up will be something like 2479. Now if you see here, exactly till 2479 the price pushed up around 2480, almost there. The target would have been hit right here and then quickly fall. That is what we call trading with the ATR. Now if you don't know what ATR is, make sure you watch the video in my playlist, how to trade candlestick patterns, and the other videos where it will tell you what the ATR is, and that is how ATR keeps you with the volatility. And exactly when they hit the take profit, and as the price was really high, there is no point of managing this trade, and after $13 push up, price falls from here. So you would have made money if you had a risky trader and then the price pushed down as well. Now very important to see a valid bullish pattern. Now if the price pushes more lower to 50 EMA, for me that would be a good condition, and then bullish engulfing pattern. So let's see how the next candle closes. If the next candle has a good bullish engulfer, in that case I will go long. Now if you have an invalid bullish engulfer here, keep an eye on my Telegram channel. If we have that, I'll keep you guys informed there if that is a valid or invalid bullish engulfer, so that you guys don't take a wrong entry. So keep an eye on my Telegram channel if you follow me. If not, the link is in the description as well. So for me, bullish engulfer will be a valid buy condition. If there is no condition, I'm not taking any trades. If broken below 50 EMA with the momentum, then the price will likely to reverse and push down from here. That is why condition is very important. With conditions, we're going to decide if we're going to go long or short. For silver, we are below 50 EMA. So in that case, I'll be still looking at this level, which is 25.39, goes up to 26.27. If the price keep on falling down, I want to see some more momentum with a pullback, bearish engulfer, and keep on taking shots with conditions till we are in this level, from where I'm going to start to look for my buy condition. So for now, only sell trades for silver if we have one more candle, then a pullback, then a bearish engulfer. Otherwise, not buying silver as we are now broken below 50 and 20 EMA both. Lastly, we have crude oil. Now it is pushing down and still above 50 EMA. Again, I'm just looking for the bullish engulfer. If you have a bullish engulfer above 50 EMA, as long as we're above 50 EMA, bullish engulfer is my condition for entries. If not, then as per my yesterday's video, we are looking at a head and shoulder pattern, a possible pattern right here, from where we can start to look for the possible right shoulder with condition like bullish engulfer or pin bars like this. So keep an eye either from here or either from here, bullish engulfing patterns. Once we have a condition, we are good to go for our trades. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and join Money Markers Trading Family. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.